Alright, so basically, for this video, so I'm editing this right now on the 17th. I'm uploading the picture, or not the picture, the video of us hiking on the 15th right now. And yesterday, which was the 16th, we went airsofting. So there was a lot of stuff going on. I was really tired. By the time I got home after both events, I knocked out, man. We were supposed to play Call of Duty, and I just went to sleep. So yeah, I might as well just do a quick macros of what I ate yesterday and what I ate the day before. So on the 15th, after the hiking, well, before the hiking, I already ate a good amount. So I was sitting around like 1700 calories. Um, but I underestimated the burrito from the taco truck. And I did my best estimations I could with the taco, and then my friend gave me half of it. Guess I was starving, so I just ate it. Probably shouldn't have, but those two, that day I ate a total of 3,000 calories, 304 grams of protein, surprisingly, 90 grams of fat, and 245.6 grams of carbs. So I overshot my macros by a lot. But yesterday is where I kind of got it on the dot with 2,500 calories. So I ate 186 grams of protein, 101 grams of fat, and 238 grams of carbs. And same thing that happened before I left. I ate a pretty hearty, meal. Had steak and chicken, a little bit of steak, mostly chicken. And afterwards, we went to Taco Cavilan. I had one malita and one super burrito, the pastor. So, I mean, in total, it was 2,667 calories, but not too far off of the 2,500. So, I did eat pretty heavy on the 15th, but honestly, that hiking kind of made up for it. But at the same time, I want to stay at my goal of 2,500 calories. So today, which is the 17th, which I'm gonna try to go to the gym. Hopefully my mic adapter comes in before I have to leave, because the latest I can go is maybe around 3 or 4, probably 4. Come back home, take a shower, go to work. But yeah. So right now I'm sitting at 600 calories. I ate ceviche with tostadas. So I'm at it was 2 cups worth of ceviche. I kind of rounded it up again. I kind of, this is all estimations, because it's really hard to find like set macros for these type of things. But I put it at 65 grams of protein because it had a lot of shrimp in it. I put it at 20 grams of fat because it did have some avocado. And then 40 grams of protein, 40 grams of carbs, mainly from the tostadas, sitting at 600 calories. 586, but 600. So, doing pretty good today. And this will be part of the Airsoft one, because I didn't do any talking in that. It was on from the POV from my friend. So, and from here on, there's going to be no talking. It's going to be all Airsoft, and it's going to be from a different POV, not mine. Cool.
I don't even know if that was a ricochet or not. Hit that motherfucker. Hit. Oh, fuck, I got ammo already. Oh, woohoo! Fuck, I'm out of ammo. Shit. Those are ricochets, but fuck it. It's still smacked though? No way. Give me suppressive fire. Give me suppressive fire. No, don't shoot through the hose. Don't shoot through the hose. Okay. Ah, shit. shit, good shit. Switch, Juju. Might be able to play this shit. This shit ain't hard. This fool not even using the red dot, nigga. That's crazy. Hey. I gotta get used to using the bar again. Move. Hey. Are you able to put it in? The safety? Oh, I have another. Trying to restore this the best I can. Oh my god, fucking went around. Here, you can try to do it. We'll try to keep you covered. Sorry about that. Well, I thought you said corner.
Oh, like you could only go like past a quarter.
Oh, my bad, bro. My bad. That's my bad. You want a free shot? Alright. Shit, you want a free shot? You can get it. I missed it. Push it. I went too far. I misunderstood. Oh shit. Okay. Where's the speed limit? Oh, you got the speed limit? Speed limit? Oh, fuck. I'm out of ammo. Yeah? It's because I didn't prepare right now. If I would have known. Oh, shit. Is your mag loaded? Your pistol mag?
No. You don't have to.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we're not gonna be able to shoot. You guys want to call out?
Huh?
We're out of ammo.
You guys are. I still have more.
Alright, handles. Wait, you have your speed loader?
Huh?
Oh, but you have, okay, no, never mind. I'm gonna have to step out and get more ammo. My bad on that, bro. I didn't know. Oh, you're loading up too? I wasn't prepared at all, dude. I was too. Yeah, against the wall. Does it come out green? No? It doesn't glow? Good shit. What the fuck? Oh, fuck. What the fuck is wrong with me today? What the fuck is wrong? Alright, for sure. That's all I needed to hear. Main speed. It's hard to see with this mask low key. See me, right? Okay, I didn't feel that, but honestly, it's because I usually feel it on the back, but I didn't feel it, but fuck it. I'll take it. I'll take it. Oh God, hey, that's all that matters. Now it's a 1v1. Yeah, I took them both out. Wait, where do you go? Yeah, he is. Hey, Drew, you're supposed to be out, dumbass. For this round, when you're hit, you're out.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's good. I guess it's the same thing too, bro. I didn't see him either. That's why I'm playing a little different right now. You didn't hit me, right? I didn't feel. It's not I felt, but it felt like a ricochet. Oh shit! Damn, good shot. Really tight me too. Oh, I saw that shit.
You were so close.
Damn, Juju took you out. Good shot, bro. Good shit, Juju. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, there you go.
Watch this side, watch this side. Oh, right in my balls too, fuck. Crack me.
Straight in the dome. Right here.
I feel bad for him, look at him, he's fucking glowing. Good shot, run the balls. Fuck yeah. Shit. on, man. You really are.
I'm small, but fast.
Good shit, though. And you too. This nigga is terrible at covering. I'll give you that. That shit was clean as fuck. That shit was dope. Me? Oh no, it was him. He domed you. Yeah. Copy that. Woo.
I barely switched into this today. So it's good. Let's keep this on. That's a full map.
Trust me, bro. It takes long. Yeah, it takes really fucking long, bro.
Full map battle royale. It's a full map.
Battle royale. You wanna go free for all?
I'll do that.
I'm down for free for all.
I'm down.
I'll ask Chris right now. I'm down. Free for all, everybody.
Yeah.
Say less.
Free for all.
Hey, Chris. Free for all?
Probably.
You down for free for all? We all agree on free for all. Let's go. This is gonna be clean. Let's do this. Free for all, full field. Let's go. Huh?
Black light for free for all. It's gotta be black light.
Ah.
Don't be a pussy.
I'm down. Fuck it. I'm down. We're gonna black light. Black light for the free for all, so we're all gonna be blind as shit. Oh God, he literally glows.
I'm fine.
That shit's the only. I know I can't see this thing in the dark, dude. I can't. Him, he's like, I just see a big bright fucking highlight. I'm just like. That shit was cool though. Nah, yeah. It's a special ability, bro. Oh shit. No, I'm barely turning it on. I forgot to put. I couldn't see nothing because I was like trying to. I was like, fuck. Look, I didn't have it. Nice straight off. Straight off. Good shit. You still miss? You miss! How do you miss? How do you miss? Follow. Let's go! Let's go! That's it?
Keep it like this.
Yep. Try to good job trying to run. This one?
No, it's not fine. Check it.
Oh, I didn't hit you? Oh. Oh, yeah. Got on.
Take 5 steps.
Oh, everybody back up. Everybody back up.
Face away.
Hey, hold on. No. You, Julian, over there.
I don't think
You, Aquino, stay right here.
And this gun doesn't shoot.
Okay, use the other one.
Alright, over here. Since you guys were the two last ones, can I have you guys right here? And then you have a gun, right? You have a gun? Alright, face away from each other, back to back. Take paces, and then when you guys hear the horn, you guys shoot each other, right?
Alright.
Alright, take your step.
I'm out. How'd you miss?
That's what I'm saying, bro.
How'd you miss? Yo, wrap your gun.
He's fucking tripping, bro. He says he's not shooting. He's shooting just fine. It is. I think. Yeah, but... Marco! I didn't hit you? No way I did not hit you. You sure I didn't hit you? Oh God, you. I feel like you just don't feel him, dude.
No, you probably did right here somewhere.
I was aiming dead at you. That was weird. Hey, fuck it. Good shit, you shot me in the head. Let's wait till after the match. After the match.
So we getting on call when we get home?
Airsoft? Let's go.
Oh, first we're getting tacos.
Hell yeah, what are we doing right now?
Look at my.
What we doing?
That's a badge of honor.
The badge of honor right there. We all need service now. We all need service now. Oh God. Let's go. Big guns, big guns, big guns.
What's good? Look right here. Look right here.
Oh shit, he fucked you up.